By the end of this video, you'll learn how to trade in an uptrend market.
I'm here at the 15-minute time frame of gold. Now we make our trading plan. Unang question, what is our bias? And we answer it using our market structure. So anong market structure right now ni gold? Uptrend. Yes. It's a mix. Okay, so let's see. Okay, how can you say it's an uptrend? Okay, because it's a series of higher high and higher low. High, higher high. This is low, higher low. So if it's in an uptrend, anong bias natin supposedly? If uptrend, buy. Okay. So next question, where do we make a buy entry? Diba? Nasa supply and demand zone natin. So we go to the demand zone and we buy there. Saan nga ba ang support or demand zone if it's an uptrend? So hintayin natin siya dito. We have two areas to enter in an uptrend. You can either wait for it to bounce at the support zone or pwede din when it breaks out from the resistance. In an uptrend, it's a high retracement, high retracement. So, pwede ka mag-entry here at the support. Pwede ka din mag-entry here at the break of resistance. So, if the previous resistance na break, pwede natin itong i-entry. This is the resistance, tapos na break is now the new support. Now, this is now the resistance. So, if this breaks, we can make an entry. So, pwede siya mag-break dyan and then mag-retest here. So, pwede dito mo siya hintayin or here. So, if you have a zone now, okay, if you have a zone of interest, then we can go to the lower time frame and then we can wait for the candle confirmation. So, tingnan natin if mag-breakout siya dito, then we can make an entry. It should be a bullish na candle. Ayun. Okay. Is this candle a breakout or not? Yes or no? Diba? This is the previous resistance. Tapos, nag-breakout. So, you can actually make an entry after this candle. Trade tayo dyan. And then, SL natin sa baba. Somewhere below. And then, TP natin would be, ito. Tingnan natin if it will go up. Okay, so nag-break siya. Okay. Nag-retest. Okay. Ayun. So, eto din. Okay, tingnan nyo. It should be a, since this is a real, if this is still an uptrend, dapat bullish candle din siya dito. Because this is the dynamic support. Okay, let's see. If you notice, this zone here is holding. This is the previous resistance. Na break. Okay, binalikan. This is the retest. Retest again. Okay, as long as this area is holding, then this is still an uptrend. Okay, let's see kung tama ba ang ating analysis. Okay, yun. So, if we look at it, this is the high, then the higher high. Diba? And this is the low, the higher low, and then the higher low. So, dapat mag-breakout siya ulit from here. So, nag-break siya ulit. So, this is indeed uptrend pa siya. Okay? So, again, this is the high or resistance. Okay? The higher high. This is the low, the higher low. Okay? So, dapat nag-breakout siya. New high, correct. So, if mag-retest man siya, dapat dito lang. Okay, let's see kung ma-hit ang TP natin. It's still making higher high pa naman. So, ayun, di ba? So, this is the high, higher high. It should break again. Okay? Now, it's a retest. So, in this case, is it still an uptrend? Tingnan natin ha. It tried to break out. So, probably hindi na. But let's see kung aangat pa ba siya. Okay. So, we can make a close na. Close na tayo. Kasi hindi na siya uptrend. Okay? Clear so far?